everybody, Shugi is here. So I got that phone from my cousin. He said that there is an issue with the battery. When you connect it to the power, it doesn't draw power. Only when you lift the flat, then you draw power. You replace the screen and also the back. So what I do first is heat up the phone, put some isopropanol on it, and then try to open it. It will open really easy since it was already open before and he didn't got any adhesive add to it. So after opening the phone, I will start to disassemble. Starts with the NFC and the flat cables, and I will check everything out. Removing the flats, we need to heat up the battery to remove it and put some isopropanol on it. After the battery is heated up, we can now remove it. I'll put the suction cup on it and pull it out. Really quite easy to do. Now, as you can see here, the battery has swelled up, so I got absolutely nothing to do and nowhere to continue. So after some digging, I found my wife's previous phone, which is the same phone as the one that I'm working on right now. I hit it up to put some isopropanol all around it, and I decided to remove its battery to check the one on the other phone. While my wife's phone is cooking, I will come back to the previous phone since I closed it to search for my wife's phone. So I will reopen it and disconnect it again just to put the battery back in. Put everything together to check it out. We'll now try to charge it. So it seems like it's charging. Took it a while to turn on, and as you can see in my cable, in my charging cable, you can see that it draws 0 watts. So it seems like nothing comes up to the battery. Now, as you can see here at the bottom, it seems like it's charging, but after a while it just stops. So I put it a while just to check if it's still charging, but every time it takes a while and then it stops charging. I thought it might be that I didn't close the screws, so I closed it again, but it wasn't there. after I closed all the screws, I checked again and I let it a little while just to charge, and nothing changed. The battery wasn't coming up. Place the charging flat. I had another one at my disposal, so I just put the new one to check if the problem is there or it's still in the battery. So after replacing the charging cable, I took it charge and I saw that the percentage is now rising. So the issue was also the battery and the charging flat. So I told my cousin to order a new battery, and I quickly returned the battery to my wife's phone before. Good. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you in the next one.